welcome to another daily vlog. So, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog because I really have a hectic schedule at work. So, ngayon, i-update ko kayo kung ano yung mga nangyayari. So, these past few days, sobrang tuloy-tuloy yung mga flights ko. So, wala akong masyadong time na mag-vlog and to capture everything at work. Ngayon, it's my off day. Kaya I'm driving off to do some errands today. So I just have to buy some stuff. Tapos after that, I'm heading back home. Yan, nagkakasipon na ako ngayon. Grabe, sa sobrang pagod. After this one, I'm heading back home. Kasi niyaya ko ng mga friends ko na maglaro ng tennis at 1 PM. Kaya lalaro tayo ng tennis kasi it's been a while since the last time na naglaro ko ng tennis. Tapos after that siguro let's see if I can still bring Dollar to the vet. Grabe, sobrang namumove yung kay Dollar. Dahil minsan tanghali ako nagigising because I'm really tired at work. Pero okay lang naman, wala namang problema. I just really need to rest more. Kaya ayan, let's see kung madadala ko pa si Dollar mamaya, or if not, I'll do it early morning tomorrow before ako pumunta ng office. Pero ngayon siguro mag-chill na lang ako, play tennis, then siguro go to a coffee shop later to update all my journals and do all the editing stuff for the vlog. Kaya yan, tapos ngayon may nakita akong bagong playlist sa Spotify, parang recommended playlist for Nathan. And sa playlist sa parang chill vibes. So, tingnan ko, dinownload ko. Now it's playing here in the car. Let's see kung mag-stick siya na playlist dito sa car. So, there you go guys. It's a gloomy day again today. Parang several days nang umuulan dito sa Manila. Kaya, ayun, wow. Traffic. Traffic siya ngayon palabas ng village. So, I don't know kung ano meron. Maybe it's because Wednesday. Then, ano pa bang gagawin ko? I'll try to drop by church later also. Pag lumabas ako. Kaya yun. It's nice to see you guys again. It's nice catching up with you guys again. Kaya, samahan niyo ako today sa mga gagawin ko. And let's just enjoy this day. Okay? And I'll see you guys. So, I'm on my way now to the tennis court. Kakatapos ko lang din mag-lunch. So, tingnan natin kung sino yung mga a-attend today dun sa tennis game. Kaya malalaman natin yan mamaya once we get in the court. Kaya tara at maglalaro muna tayo ng tennis today. Guys, I just parked here in the tennis court. So, kakarating ko lang. Nandito na yung car ng friend ko. Nakita ko na. So, tara at mag-tennis na tayo. Good game today. Yeah, good game. Hey guys, so I just got back here in the car. Kakatapos na namin mag-light snack ng kaibigan ko. So now I'm just going to drive home and I'll see you back home. See you!